All right, gang, Bruntmore, talked about them a lot. Bruntmore, our favorite cast iron maker, has done it again, and we picked this up just to kind of fully jump in with both feet into finally making everything basically in our kitchen cast iron. This is actually a 3-piece enameled cast iron set. It comes with 3 different matching enameled cast iron skillets. You got your 8, your 10, and your Big Papa, the 12-inch enameled cast iron. This 3-piece set is absolutely amazing. First of all, look at it. It is just so ridiculously freaking beautiful. Inside and out, it is enameled cast iron, which makes it a little bit easier to care for than just your traditional cast iron. It still has great heat dispersion, makes it so that it can have these color pops to it, makes it a little bit easier to clean. But you still have to take care of this hand wash with soap and water and that kind of deal in order to keep these nice and new. And obviously you don't want to scrape on it while you're cooking. But these make phenomenal cookware sets. Obviously they're a matching set. They fit together because this is, again, a whole thing in enameled cast iron. As this heats up, you know the whole thing is going to heat up, including the handle. So they do come with these silicone covers so that as you are using it, you can slip these on and protect your hands nice and easy. One of the things we do love about these is they are high heat resistant. So the skillets themselves, yes, they can be obviously used on a stovetop, but if you make a meal that you need to pop into the oven, these can stand up to 500 degrees, so high heat from an oven, making them a great, very versatile skillet. So look, if you are looking for a versatile set of skillets that are beautiful, that look good, that are enameled cast iron, if that's something you care about, check out this set. I think you're absolutely going to love it. It's made by Bruntmore. It's their 8, 10, and 12-inch set. Check them out.